Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So recent times I have been getting two requests from parents. First request is that parents wants to know what kind of toys to introduce to babies who are less than 3 years of age, and the second request is on books. Many of them wants to know whether the links which I mentioned in my previous videos related to pre-loved books are trusted sources or not, like from where to buy, whether the books will be in good condition or not, etc. etc. I have already done two videos on books. One is when to introduce books to babies, and the second video is about the pre-loved books collection which Zohan has. So if in case you have not watched those two videos, then please do check out. Link will be there in the description box. And very soon after this video, I am coming up with another video where I'll share recent books collection of Zohan, recent books haul, and also I'll mention the links from where I got those books so that it will be helpful for you. In this video I'll be sharing online toys shopping haul with you guys, and all the products which I'll be mentioning in this video are less than 500 rupees. Basically it starts from 25 rupees and it does not even touch 500 rupees, so I have kept the range as less than 500. Okay. And also I will definitely recommend you not to invest much on toys for babies who are less than 5 years old, because they will not have interest in playing with one particular toy at this age, because they'll try to explore different varieties of toys which are available, and only when they reach a certain age, like only if they cross 6 or 7 years of age, they will know their favorite and they'll spend more time in their favorite toys. For now, please don't invest in inexpensive toys is what I will suggest. And also it is not that whatever toys I'm mentioning in this video will be helpful for your kids. It is not that you will have to buy them or you'll have to introduce them at this age. It is not like that completely. It all depends on your kids' interest. If in case your baby is not interested in drawing or painting right now, if he's too young or if he's just 2 years of age, then I think you can just skip the toys which is related to drawing or painting. So it completely depends on your kids' interest, and in this video I'll just give you an idea like what all you can buy, what all toys are available in the market, so that it will be easy for you to shop. Now without any further delay, let's quickly get into the video. So the first thing which I got for Zohan from Amazon was this magic sand. It comes in a container. You will get half kg sand of random color along with some cutters and a tub which you will have to blow using the pump. Okay. तुम्हें बना इसकी हो? Yes. Oh, it's so pretty. Take your hand. Oh, this is so pretty. What is this?
Fish.
Huh?
Fish.
Fish banana. Okay. Okay. What is this?
You do that.
Very good. What is that, Zohan?
Catch.
The next thing which I got for him is blocks. You guys might wonder like why I got handbag for a boy, but this was the only thing which I found on Amazon. There are different varieties of blocks, but I wanted something different from the usual ones. Like usually we get red, blue, green, like bright color blocks, but I wanted something very different, so I got pastel color blocks. The colors are really pretty. It comes with a pamphlet. It will help you and your kids to build the blocks. क्या बनाई है सर तुम्हें? जोनू ये क्या बनाई है सर? अमित देखो ये क्या बनाई है सर? बिल्डिंग. अल्लाह मस्जिद बनाई है इसकी. Okay, and this one? मस्जिद. Two मस्जिद की. Very good.
बाबा को छीना देनी है.
Allah. क्या सोहन बनाएंगे
bully car.
police car नहीं, this is ship.
Didi, bully car.
Police car की, okay.
Bully car.
Wait.
सही भी अच्छा बना।
Close your eyes, Zohan. Close your eyes. Open. Surprise.
सरप्राइज।
How is it?
कौन सा सरप्राइज हुआ?
Show me. What is this?
Mana mandani Baba go.
This is clay, Zohan. Did you like it?
Didi ke.
Okay.
पानी।
This is also clay. This is sand.
Abe tu ye.
This one is sand, magic sand, and this is clay.
Ita gold. Economy.
Thank you, बोलो.
Tango.
अभी तो है देखो इसमें क्या है देखिए.
Ame tu ye.
Wow.
हाँ?
Au.
And here is the knife.
Ekolo. Ekolo.
जोहान ये क्या बनाई है तुम्हें? What is this? What is this?
Akati.
What?
Akati.
Crocodile. Okay. And this one? What is this?
Aku.
नाक. किसकी नाक?
Halloween kita.
किसकी? Halloween की. हाँ. Elephant.
Halloween.
Elephant's trunk.
Halloween.
Yes. And this one?
Akati.
Crocodile. More request. If in case you are buying toys online, I'll request you guys to give toys in I request you guys to give toys in installment. Like don't open the parcel and hand over all the toys to them, because they will lose interest in playing, or they'll lose interest in toys. So give it like a surprise for them. Open one parcel, hand over one particular toy to them, see their reaction, let them play with the toy, and then after a day or two you can introduce second toy which you have got for your baby, and they will get that feel of getting surprises, and they'll also feel good that their parents are doing something for them. Show me. Wow, it's a mouse. Zuna kaisa clap karte sir? Then okay, we'll play with green color. Then I also got this stamp art kit in the theme ocean for Zohan. So this comes with a set of cards, 5 to 6 pieces of stamps and 3 stamp pens. So these are the cards on which you have to stamp. So they'll give you these sketch pens and these kind of stamps in the theme ocean, and your kid has to color on the stamp and then stamp it, something like this, and it will leave a impression, but it is, I think it will be better if you guys use the ink pad which you get from ordinary stationery shop. That will give you a better stamping effect than these pen, because if your kid is less than 3 years of age, then definitely they will not color it completely right. So in that way the stamping effect will be less. So if you have any ink pad at home, then you can also use ink pad, but this is like really nice and budget kit. Then I also ordered few things from one of the Instagram stores. I'll mention the links in the description. Please do check out. So let's see what all is there for Zohan.
Close your eyes.
Zohan, close your eyes. Surprise. Guess what's the surprise? क्या सरप्राइज गेस करो. तुम ऑलरेडी मॉर्निंग एक सरप्राइज ले लेना, ये वाटर बुक. अभी क्या सरप्राइज होना? गेस करो क्या रहेगा, गेस करो. Close your eyes. Look at Ammi. Close your eyes. Close your eyes, Zohan. 1, 2, 3, surprise.
हाय क्या हुआ? छोटू का
Open करो. You guys might have already seen wooden pegboards which has alphabet, numbers, animals or shape sorter. So this is similar to that. This is all in one, which has alphabet, number and shape sorter, but it is made of plastic material. Like the base is plastic. My boy is not that much interested in sorting alphabet, so I got this basic one. He was definitely interested in sorting shapes but not the alphabet. So if in case your kids are not interested in sorting, then I think you can go for the cheaper ones, but wooden or plastic pegboards are must have for kids. This is one of the best product which I have come across. It's a painting desk. It comes with a tray and legs. You have to fix it. It comes with a drawing book. It comes with sketch pens. It comes with a DIY pen stand. It is made of card. You just have to form it like a pen stand, and you have to make it like a holder so that your kids can drop in all the sketch pens after use. This is a dry erase board, so it is easy to write and erase, but be careful, don't pour water. We accidentally poured water on this, and the sides, that is the borders, got a bit damaged. But this is one of the best product, the best painting desk in market, and it is also budget friendly. The next thing which you can introduce your kids is this puzzle and paint DIY puzzle piece set and this magic water book. I'll talk about the water book in my next video. You can buy this from my own page. Link is mentioned in the description box below. This is the tiny mini puzzle which I got for 25 rupees. A link is there in the description. Do check out. This puzzle is also cool if you want to introduce puzzle to your kids.
ओके, तुम मुझे क्या बोले सोनू? कैसा थैंक करे समझे तुम्हें? कैसा बोले? अच्छा ना, क्या हो? What is that?
This is the closer look of the dollhouse which I got for Zohan. It is not that dollhouse is meant for girls and not for boys. I feel that kids have to experience both the things, like whatever things girls do, that also kids have to experience. So this is the beautiful toy house which I got for him. It comes with these miniature pretend and play set. It is like really beautiful, and it will keep your kids occupied for a very longer time. This particular thing Zohan got as a gift, so I don't know what it is called as, but I'll try to find out and mention the link in the description. Do check out. It also helps your kids to learn colors, and they'll be able to match up with the colors, so that's also one of the great product.
Zohan match कर दले पूरा. Oh, show me. Wow.
If you guys have cards at home, then you can use these cards to teach matching for your kids. You can use this as a memory game. I had cards at home, and I used this as a memory game for Zohan, and he also started matching the shapes and the numbers, and it is definitely great for building memory.
Okay. Very good. नीचे है सब. यहाँ नीचे है. Very good. होगा.
I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. The next video on books is coming very soon. So guys, please stay tuned, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed still. See you until then. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.